Traders, FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, I do think that this is either a wave C of of a running flat type pattern, which would make a higher low, and continue back up, or it's like an expanding correction, like an expanding flat, which would go down and take out these lows before it actually continued back up. So keep in mind that this might end up going down a lot more. Going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a big push up as you can see on the weekly, but we don't really have a break of structure or anything. We have to keep in mind that this move up could easily be a crutch into the downtrend, and this thing could easily make a lot more downside movement. Going down to the daily time frame, we do have a break of structure on the daily, so I would be looking for longs on shorter time frames. To me, this looks like impulsive up, probably corrective down, should lead to another impulsive up for either a wave C, which would probably go to a fib level and then turn back down, or a wave 3, which would likely just keep on trending up. Hopefully, what we can do is get in a long opportunity and learn whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 while we earn. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, this looks like a nice uptrend. Looks like an impulsive uptrend, either a wave A or a wave 1. We're likely now either in a wave B or a wave 2. The question is whether the wave B or 2 is over, because it did make 3 waves down, and that is definitely looking pretty impulsive. So we might already be going up for the wave C, which, like I said, would go up to a fib level and turn back down, or maybe a wave 3, which would likely bounce from fib levels but not break structure, and eventually would continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and go up and break this structure up here. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks very impulsive up. I was thinking originally that this move up was going to be a crutch into this move down, like this would be a wave A and this would be a wave B. So we do have to be aware that this might end up turning back down for a wave C before it actually does go back up like that, making a more proper looking crutch into these last 5 waves up. But really, to be honest with you, I mean, it is 1, 2, 3 waves down, and it is definitely a break to the downside. So it's definitely a break of trend, and we do have a break of trend on the daily time frame also. So there's a chance it might just keep on trending up. Keep an eye out for a lower high, because, like I said, it might end up going down and making a wave C. And if it does go down and make a wave C, I will actually be quite glad, because that would be a much proper, much more better looking ABC Cretton, which would be a much more proper entry to go along for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.